What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to display what game you're playing on Discord Mobile. First, open the Discord Mobile app on your device. Once you're in the app, look at the bottom right corner and tap on your profile picture. This will take you to your profile page. From here, we need to access your settings. So tap on the gear icon located at the top right corner of your profile page. Now that you're in the settings menu, scroll down and tap on Content and Social. In this section, look at an option called Share your detected activities with others under Activity Status. This setting is crucial for showing your friends what games you're playing. Toggle this switch on and Discord will automatically detect the games you're playing on your device and share that information with your friends. If the game you're playing doesn't show up automatically, or if you'd like to display something custom instead, don't worry. You can add a status manually. To do this, go back to your profile page and tap on Add Status. Here, you can type the name of the game you're playing or create a completely custom status message. When setting your status, you can also choose how long it will be visible by adjusting the duration. For example, you can set it to stay up for an hour, a day, or until you manually change it. Once you've entered the details and selected your preferred duration, tap the Save button at the top right corner. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.